Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the third numerical related to the buck converter. So let us read the numerical. The buck converter has an input voltage VDC is equal to 15 volt. So it is given VDC is equal to 15 volt. The required average output voltage V0 average is equal to 5 volt. The peak to peak output ripple voltage delta V0 is equal to delta Vc is equal to 10 millivolt, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. The switching frequency f is equal to 20 kilohertz, 20 into 10 to the power 3 hertz. Okay, next, the peak to peak ripple current of the inductor, that is the delta IL, is equal to 0.5 ampere. Okay, next, determine a duty cycle, b filter inductance, c filter capacitance, and critical value of L and C at a load resistance of 500 ohm. R is equal to 500 ohm. It is given. Okay, so now we need to find, yes, the duty cycle, right? So if you check the given data, V0, it is a buck converter. Yes, we know V0 average is equal to D into VDC. Okay, so here we can write V0 average is equal to duty cycle into input voltage VDC. What is the V0 average? It is a 5 equal to D into VDC. It is a 15, right? So therefore duty cycle is equal to 5 by 15 is equal to 0.33, right? It is a 0.33. Okay, so 0.3, okay, is nothing but the duty cycle, right? So the answer for the first bit, that is a A. Okay, next, second, the filter inductance they have asked. Okay, filter inductance. So as this is the buck converter, okay, so when switch is in the on state we can draw the circuit. Okay, but before that, can we find the on time? Yes, on time, T on is equal to what? D into T. Okay, so is equal to D is the 0.333 into T is 1 by frequency. What is the switching frequency? Is given 20 kilohertz. Okay, 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. Can write it as is equal to 20 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, 10 to the power 3. So it is a 0.33 divided by 20 into 10 to the power 3. So it is equal to, yes, which on time it is a 16.5 microsecond. 16.5 microsecond. This is the on time. Okay, next. So can we write for the second bit during T on? During T on. Yes, the switch is in the on state. Okay, switch is in the on state. Yes, here we are in the inductor. Next, capacitor, and here it is a load. Okay, so circuit will be like this. Yes, the load voltage is V0, I0, voltage VC, L, IL, here it is Vs. Okay, so can we apply KVL? Yes, during T on we can apply KVL, right? So KVL to loop. KVL loop or outer loop is a plus Vs minus L into EIL by dt minus V0 0. Okay, so here our task is for the second bit. If you check, yes, we need to find the filter inductance. Okay, so Vs is given or VDC we are having. Okay, instead of Vs we are having VDC. So it is a VDC. Okay, what is a VDC? It is a 15 volt. minus L into what is the DIL? Yes, the peak to peak, it is given that the peak to peak ripple current of inductor is limited to 0.5, means change in the current is 0.5. Peak to peak ripple current of the inductor means what? It is a delta IL. Okay, it is a 0.5, delta IL is 0.5 divided by dt. Dt is the on time, that is a T on. Okay, minus V0. V0 is given, it is a 5 volt, equal to 0. Okay, so therefore we can write 15 minus L into 0.5 divided by T on. What is the T on? Yes, just now we have calculated T on is equal to 16.5 microsecond, right? 16.5 microsecond. Yes, 6.5 microsecond is equal to, right, 6.5 to 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, minus 5 equal to 0. From this we can find L, right? L is equal to 50 minus 5, that is a 10 divided by 0.5 into 0.5 to the power is a 3.3, means 0.33 millihenry. 0.33 millihenry is the value of inductance, right? Are you getting the point? Okay, so L is equal to 0.33 millihenry, right? Next, the third bit, the filter capacitance they have asked. Okay, filter capacitance we need to find. Okay, so in order to find the filter capacitance, right, they have given the delta Vc, and we are having the expression for delta Vc as well. Okay, so we know delta Vc is equal to, yes, I am writing it for third bit as a delta Vc is equal to what? Is a Vs into 1 minus d into dt square divided by 8LC. Okay, so what is the delta Vc? It is given that the change in the voltage, right, change in the load voltage or the capacitor voltage, peak to peak output ripple voltage is 10 millivolt. Okay, so 10 milli, so it is a 0.01. Okay, is equal to Vs. Vs, instead of Vs we are having the Vdc. What is the Vdc? 15 into, okay, so we can write it as a 15 into, yes, 15 into 1 minus d. D is 0.33 into 0.3 into t square. T square is 1 upon 20 into 10 to the power 3, right, square. Is clear? Okay, divided by 8 LC, divided by 8 into L. L just now we have calculated 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, okay, so from this can you find C? Yes, we can find C is equal to, yes, equal to 15 into 1 minus 0.33, okay, into 1000 divided by 8.33 to 10 to the power minus 20. It is a 0.315 millifarad, right? 0.315 millifarad, 0.15 millifarad, or it is a 315.9, 315.49 microfarad, okay, or 0.315 millifarad. Okay, so this is the value of the capacitor C, right? Value of capacitor, right? Next, so this is the answer for the third bit. Next, the critical value of L and C at load resistances of 500 ohm. So L critical and C critical we need to find. Okay, what is the L critical for the D? Okay, last bit. L critical and C critical we need to. Okay, so for finding the L critical, yes, we are having the expressions for L critical and C critical. Okay, what is the L critical? L critical is equal to 1 minus D into R into T divided by 2. Okay, so it is a 1 minus 0.33 into R. R is given, it is a 500 into T. T is 1 upon 20 into 10 to the power 3, right? Because switching frequency is 20k, right? Divided by 2. Okay, so from this we can find the L critical. Okay, so it is a 1 minus 0.333 500 divided by 40. Yes, it is a 8.33 millihenry. 8 point is a L critical, right? L critical. Next, can we find C critical also? Yes, C critical is equal to, can find C critical value of capacitor, right? Is equal to, yes, we are having C critical is equal to, we have derived the expression. Okay, C critical is equal to 1 minus D to T square divided by in L. Okay, 1 minus D into T divided by 16. So it is equal to 1 minus D. D is a 0.33 into T square, that is a 1 upon 20 into 10 to the power 3 square divided by 16 into L. Into L. What is the value of L? Yes, we have calculated 0.33 millihenry, right? So it is a 0.3 millihenry. Yes, 0.33 millihenry. 10 to the power. Right. So if you check is equal to, yes, it is equal to minus point. Yes, it is 0.3129. 0.19 microfarad. Okay, this is what the C critical value. Critical value of capacitor, right? Critical value of capacitor. Is this clear? Okay. So this is about the numerical 3 related to the buck converter. In the next video, we will discuss about the boost converter. Thank you.